What are the rules of evidence in a litigation process? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That's what a court faces without proper rules of evidence. These rules help decide what information can be used to prove or disprove facts in a case. They keep the process fair and clear. First, evidence must be relevant. That means it should directly relate to the facts being decided. If it does not, it gets left out. For example, in a sports contract dispute, a video showing a handshake might be relevant, but a random social media post about unrelated topics is not. Next, the evidence must be material. It should have enough importance to influence the case outcome. If a piece of evidence is trivial, it may be ignored. Competency is also key. The evidence must come from a qualified source. A witness with personal knowledge of the event can testify, but hearsay, what someone else said outside of court, is usually not allowed unless it fits a special exception. For example, a player's statement made during a game might be admissible, but a rumor from a third party generally is not. Authentication is another rule. Evidence must be proven genuine. A signed contract needs to be verified as the real deal, often through testimony or expert analysis. There are also exclusion rules. Evidence that could unfairly prejudice the court or confuse the issues can be kept out. For instance, overly graphic images might be relevant but could also be considered unfairly prejudicial. Certain communications are protected by privileges. For example, conversations between a lawyer and client are confidential and cannot be used without permission. The burden of proof is on the party presenting the evidence. They must meet a standard, like showing that their claim is more likely true than not in civil cases. In sports and entertainment disputes, these rules are still followed but often involve special types of evidence. Contracts between teams, athletes, or entertainment companies are common. Authenticating these documents is vital. Experts in sports medicine or entertainment law may be called to interpret technical evidence. Digital evidence like videos, social media posts, or emails must be properly verified and relevant. Parties also have a duty to preserve evidence once they know a dispute might go to court. Failing to do so can lead to penalties or negative inferences. In some cases, disputes are settled through arbitration or mediation, which may have more flexible evidence rules. Still, understanding the rules of evidence is essential if the case moves to court. Evidence involving personal rights, intellectual property, or contractual issues must be handled carefully to ensure fairness. Overall, these rules form a framework that helps courts make fair decisions. In sports and entertainment cases, they help prove claims about contracts, rights, or misconduct. Knowing these rules allows legal professionals to build stronger cases and defend their clients effectively.